Hello, this is Laura Mellor from Laura Mellor Training and Consultancy. I hope you find this short video useful. If you want to discuss anything directly, then email me at laura@lauramellortraining.co.uk. So today I'm going to show you how to customize your Quick Access Toolbar. So the Quick Access Toolbar is available in most of the Microsoft packages, but today we're going to have a look at it from Microsoft Excel. So at the top left-hand corner of the screen, you've got this little mini toolbar, which shows by default save, undo and redo. But by clicking on the drop-down arrow at the end of this, we can actually add other icons. So for example, if I choose spelling, I can now access my spell check directly from the icon on the Quick Access Toolbar. I can add lots of other icons by clicking on the drop-down arrow and going to more commands, and it now gives me a list of what they call popular commands, so sort of the next level of things that you might want to use. So if I wanted to add copy, I can either click on copy and add, or double clicking on copy will also add it at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. If the options I want to add are not in this list, the drop down arrow where it says popular commands allows me to go to either all commands, which will show me absolutely everything, which is a huge list, or maybe more useful, the options are divided into the tabs that you see on the ribbon. So if I go to Data tab, these are all the options you can get off of the Data tab. So say I wanted to add advanced filter, again I click on it and either add or double click to add it. If I want to change the order of the icons, I have the up arrow and the down arrow that allow me to move the icons so I can group things that are similar together, which makes them easier to find. When I'm done, I click on OK, and all of those icons should now be visible on the Quick Access Toolbar. I can also add icons by right-clicking on them on the actual ribbon. So say I've just used wrap text and I want to add that. I just right-click on the icon, add to Quick Access Toolbar. If I want to remove it, I can right-click on it on the Quick Access Toolbar, and I now get the option of remove from Quick Access Toolbar. So it's really easy to add and remove icons. If at any point I want to reset this back to how it was before, maybe my job role's changed and therefore the icons I'm going to use are going to change too, I click on the drop down at the end of the Quick Access Toolbar. I go to more commands, and at the bottom right hand corner there's this option of reset. So I can choose reset only Quick Access Toolbar. It asks us, are we sure? So if we say yes and OK, it should now be set back to how it was originally. Once you've set up your Quick Access Toolbar however you want it to be, it will stay like that as you close down your computer, as you switch from one application to the other. So you don't have to suddenly worry that it's all going to disappear and reset back to this every time. But it really is good practice to consider resetting this to the things that you use on a regular basis. I tend to avoid putting on there icons where I know the keyboard shortcuts, because if I know the keyboard shortcuts, I'll do it with the keyboard shortcut instead anyway. So I hope you found this short video useful, and I hope to see you back to see another of my videos again soon. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at some of the other videos I've created. If you want to know more, then visit my website or email me to discuss your training requirements at laura@lauramellortraining.co.uk.